There was a man in France who dreamed a way to teach, who left his life behind and followed Jesus' print. Within the Negro world of greed and poverty, he spread a seed of hope, he lit a light of peace.
Une fraternité continue la mission, ne le guide avec la foi et aide ceux qui souffrent. Avec celle-ci j'enseigne, les rameaux gagnent le cœur et ont raison de croire, tu peux changer la vie.
If we decided to take an option for the others who wanted to be and learn together, preaching by example, always doing with his presence. We all learn from the Star Trek, we all walk through the starway. We share one heart, one commitment, one life to live with all the rest. One love, one life, one commitment, living in our hearts forever.
Hoy vamos tras sus pies, nos une un corazón, sintiendo nuestra fe, viviendo nuestra unión. La hora